Today, we will prepare fish ceviche. And we start. We will fillet our fish. We will do it in smaller pieces. And we reserve it in a pan with a little water. We will add a little water, onion, a little celery, 2 pieces of ricotta, bones or fish head, a garlic clove. We let it boil. Once cold, with a piece of fish, we will bring to liquefy. We add cilantro stems. We strain the mixture, add a little coriander, pepper, a little bit of salt. We mix. We add juice of 5 lemons. We add a aji limo. That will give it a very good flavor. We add a little of our ceviche base, onion, and we begin to serve with its sweet potatoes and its very Peruvian roasted corn. And remember, subscribe to our channel. That would help us a lot to continue growing.